Hello again. Today we remove all this section, take the freeze out, stone out, and this cabin off, and this all off. Yes. And last time when I got this wire, all this wire, of course, then is my friend come here and he have knowledge in car electricity. He looked at it and says, "What the fuck you doing?" I said, "Remove everything." "Where is that panel?" he asked. I throw away. Okay. Because that panel is all connecting all these vehicles inside, lights, gas, electricity, pump, everything. And now I don't have it because I throw it away. Don't worry, I don't worry, because I have a new tool. I can break more. Yes. But today we take this off. First, where is my glove? There. All right. Drink. Still no alcohol. Take this stuff off. All stuff there. That probably got broken someday. And then I have glass in my eye or ear or mouth or something else, and I hurt myself. Yes, that is off. All that tape. Maybe I repair all in tape and glue. Good idea. But not best idea. I have here lots of stuff. Screwdriver, sandpaper, screw, partly open. Somebody told partly open, but I said partly open. Almost same thing. All right. Now this. First part. Take this off. Da, da, da. I drove it outside the door. Ai, se lähti siitä. It's tough. Where is connected? What the hell is that? Whoa. What's that? What the fuck is this? Sorry my language. Okay, somebody know what is this? Leave me a comment. There is Kalira something. Elektroversorgung automatic. West Germany. This is probably something doing this car electricity. I think so. But because I cut all wires, I don't need it. So I throw away. Yes. Oh, there's so many cable here. Nice. What they say? Power is knowledge. Yes, yes, yes. All right, all right. That goes there, there. Don't know what that is. There's so many electric. Oh, God damn it. But this all is so complicated. Let's just put one wire and plug. That's it. There's so many power. So many wire. Okay. So what I needed is in my fruit knife. Where is it? There it is. Yes. There is my best tool. Cut the wire. Yes. Nice. Then I don't think you see this. I think you hand. I show you what we have here. Some kind electric calculator or meter. Don't know. There is the switch, power switch. So all that cable I broke it. I cut off. So what I do? Nothing. That's broken is broken. Put your back in here. Then I look. Yes, you see me. I don't see you, but you see me. So, continue breaking. There is tape. Somebody's repair is tape. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. This is much more hard broken, this wood, than this old cabin wood, because this is so rotten and yes, this is hard wood. Maybe I need my power tool, my new power tool. Probably not. How's this is done? Nice. You probably hear I learn new words. Nice. Yeah, I see one video that the guy all the time says nice. Not probably heard my mouth the same, but who cares? Cutting board. Huh. Some leverage. I get those off. It's lucky there is no gas, because probably I'll blow myself. maybe I need to screw that off so I can lift it up. Now it's cold. What's there is why is so hard? Why I can't rip off everything? Just there's some stuff. Check this out. Big knife. Now can handle all RV car. This. What else I found here? Door. What we have here? Gas line. Some. Okay, there's a car heating device or blower. Somebody says the cigarette lighter, electricity cable, double size, some kind of wire, and there is okay. I don't know where is this go. There is if somebody knows there's no gas tank and but there's the pipe. Somebody knows inside the pipe will be gas, because if I hit something and this spark, I blow. Probably. How do I remove this? Probably same, all the same. I break like this. Yes, not bad, not bad. What is that? I need my food knife. Where I put it? Look, it's dropped somewhere. Oh fuck. Somebody hit my eye. Shit. Oh. Ah. Ah. Fuck. What? I took the big knife. Oh. Ha. Scissors. now it's off. So what we had here, if there gas in somewhere, it's not anymore because I break in line. I hate this stuff. Ooh, itsy bitsy. All right. Next part, how do I take fridge out? Ha! Stupid guess. Stupid asking because I break it. Yes. But that that will be next time because I have to go inside. There's probably a little bit angry wife. Not sure. I think so. I forget to tell him I come here and breaking stuff. So guys, shortcut break, or whatever you want to say. I continue. Take this part off about day and two. After day and two, I have to figure out how do I take this off because some guy want this fridges out, the whole piece. Not take. How do I take? Kick it out. That's not the. That is not the good thing. But all right. Go to my channel. Hit the subscribes. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Leave the comments. Leave the comments. Leave the comments. Oh, my English is so fucking good. And I swear so much. Sorry for that. But yes. See you next time, guys. Bye.